Hello guys, welcome back to Invisible Chef Chami. Today I am going to show you how to make the best roast chicken at home. Let's begin. Roast chicken is one of the most classic dishes in the world, but the secret to making it truly delicious is in the small techniques and careful preparation. In this recipe, I'll show you a simple method using fresh herbs, butter and aromatic that slowly roast together and create an incredible flavor. Let's get started. Preparing the chicken first, preheat your oven to 200 Celsius. For this recipe, you will need whole chicken, lemon, onion, garlic, rosemary, thyme, butter, salt and black pepper. Now take some paper towels and pat the chicken completely dry. This step is very important. When the skin is dry, it helps create that beautiful crispy skin during roasting. Once the chicken is dry, place it on the tray and keep it aside while we prepare the herb butter. The herb butter is what gives the chicken deep flavor and aroma while roasting. Take some pressed thyme and gently remove the leaves from the stems. Then finely chop the thyme leaves. Add the chopped thyme into a bowl. Next, add room temperature butter. The butter must be soft so it spreads easily over the chicken. Then add crushed salt and freshly crushed black peppercorn. Freshly crushed pepper always gives a much stronger and fresher flavor compared to pre-ground pepper. Mix everything together until the butter and herbs are well combined and smooth. This herb butter will slowly melt while roasting and naturally baste the chicken from inside the skin, keeping the meat juicy. Now take the chicken and gently loosen the skin from the breast area using your fingers. Take the herb butter and spread it under the skin and also over the outside of the chicken. Try to cover as much surface as possible. This technique allows the butter to melt directly into the meat, which makes the chicken incredibly flavorful and moist. Make sure the butter coats the chicken nicely. Next, we prepare the aromatics for the inside of the chicken. Take the garlic cloves and cut them in half. These ingredients will slowly release their aroma while roasting and flavor the chicken from the inside. Now take a kitchen rope and tie the chicken legs together securely. This technique is called trussing. Trussing helps the chicken keep its shape and cook more evenly. Place the chicken gently in the center of the tray. Around the chicken, add some extra lemon pieces, garlic, onion, thyme and rosemary. These aromatic will roast together with the chicken and create a beautiful natural flavor. Now place the tray into the oven. Roast the chicken at 200 Celsius for about 1 hour and 10 minutes. While the chicken is roasting, let's prepare a simple garlic mayo sauce to serve with the chicken. Traditionally, roast chicken is served with the garlic aioli, but today we are making a quick and creamy garlic mayo. First, peel the garlic cloves. You can crush them slightly with a knife to remove the skin easily. Then remove the small root end of the garlic because sometimes it can give a slightly bitter taste. Add the clean garlic cloves into a blender. Then add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, a small amount of olive oil. Blend briefly just to break down the garlic. Now add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and blend again until smooth. Once the garlic mixture is smooth, transfer it into a bowl. Add 4 more tablespoons of mayonnaise and gently mix with a spoon or spatula. Do not blend all the mayonnaise in the blender because it can become too liquid. Mixing it by hand helps keep the perfect creamy texture. Now the chicken is ready. Take it out of the oven and look at that beautiful golden roast chicken. The skin is crispy and the aroma from the herbs, garlic and lemon is incredible. Take the pan dripping from the tray and spoon them over the chicken. This liquid is full of flavor from the roast herbs and butter. Let the chicken rest for about 5 minutes before cutting. Resting allows the juices to settle inside the meat, making it much more tender. Now let's test it. Remove the kitchen rope. When you twist the chicken leg, it should separate easily. This means the chicken is cooked perfectly. Serve the roast chicken with the garlic mayo sauce. The crispy skin, juicy meat and creamy garlic sauce together make a perfect combination. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and learned some useful techniques for making the perfect roast chicken at home. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, share this recipe with your friends and family. And stay tuned for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video.